Hello and welcome to this little video tutorial on how to disable that zoom that comes up when you tap on your Instagram profile picture. Now, first of all, if you would so please, it'd be great if you would like and subscribe so you can see more helpful stuff in the future, and also because it helps support us over here at the channel, helps us make more stuff like this. That would be great. Now that we have the pleasantries out of the way, let's hop right into it. So the first thing, of course, that you want to do anything like this is make sure that your Instagram app is up to date so that we're on the same page. Now, once you've done that, obviously just open up the app itself, head over to your profile by tapping in the bottom right, and then in the top left there's that little hamburger menu where if you tap on that, it'll take you to settings and privacy. Now that you're here, if you scroll down, you'll see one labeled account privacy, so you just tap on that, open that baby up, and there'll be a toggle that says allow profile picture expansion, and if you tap that, it will switch off and you are done. Thanks very much for watching.